In this how-to video, I will show you how to filter accounts and territories. Now, why is this an important tool? Well, let's say, for example, you only want to see type B accounts from a certain territory, and then you want to reassign those to a different territory. Instead of finding each account manually with the Touch Align tool, you can use this filter tool and easily sort that data and reassign all of those accounts in just one click. You can also create a brand new territory from that selection. So let's start. First thing we need to do is select the lasso tool. You can use any of these three. For now, I'll just use the lasso zip select tool. And now let's select a few territories. Here, let's select these three, like that. When you let go, you'll get an immediate pop-up. In this first screen, you see a basic summary of that entire selection that you have selected. If you click on zip codes, you have all the zip codes, same with accounts. And then that fourth tab shows you the filter. The first drop-down menu shows you territories. This is where you choose which territory you want to use, or all of them. The second one is the segments that you'd like to filter out. So every time I change one of these territories, you'll see that's immediately changed here in the background. So only territory 178 is selected. If I go back to summary, you'll see that only 178 shows up as a territory and a breakdown of all the accounts. So back to filter. Let's say I want to take only territory 192 and take only all the B segments. And if I click Next, I can assign those to a different territory. 192 is that original one, 204 is this one that includes Billings, and 178 is this one to the right, the North Denver. I'm going to create a new territory. So when I click Next, you'll see a new territory has been created. Now this territory may look like it has all four types of accounts in it, but if you remember, during the filter process, we only selected that B accounts should be part of this new territory. To change that view, let's click here on View and make the accounts match the color of the zip code they're assigned to. And just like that, if we zoom in, you'll notice that there are two colors of accounts here in Territory 1, and that means these green circular ones are assigned to Territory 1, and all the other shapes that are brown are still assigned to the brown territory. So using the filter tool, we created a brand new territory with just B accounts assigned to them. And that's how you use the filter tool.